Ways to make money online in Jamaica. Yes, this is a part 2 of the video. So I'm going to provide you with ways you can make money online. Alright, so if you are following this channel, you would have known that I've already done a video on this. So you can go back and check. I'll also provide a link in the description so you can go ahead and check that. And in this video, I will not talk about anything that I talk about in the previous video. If you have not watched that video as yet, as soon as you're done watching this one, you can just go ahead and tap the link in the description and watch that one as well, because you'll find some vital points in there. Now, if you're new to this channel, you can consider subscribing, because we talk about ways to make money online, ways to be financially free, and just ways how to avoid being poor, being out debt, stuff like that. So if stuff like that interests you, you can consider subscribing to the channel. Please also like the videos and comment. Thanks for watching. Let's jump into the video. Okay, all right, so the very first one here is start a mini loan company. Now, this make it into the online universe. So at these times we have our WhatsApp statuses, Instagram statuses with close people, right? As again, you doing this, you're gonna do this with close friends. Let's say you have some savings, right? Now with your close friends or close relatives, people people in your circle, what you can do is you just loan them some money, and you can either collect and let's say standard interest or just a fee. You choose however you want to make your profit by loaning your money. So the very first one, again, you can start a mini loan company. And of course, all that becomes online is because you'd advertise on your WhatsApp status, or advertise on Instagram status to your close friends, and stuff like that, and stuff like that, and stuff like that, right? No, not a way how you can make money online from Jamaica. You can transcribe videos. Now you have many transcribing sites. You have Rev, multiple of them. Rev is one of them, right? So basically, yes, transcribe me. There's a lot of them. Basically, what you do is you'd sign up for the video, right? Now let's say you speak multiple languages, or even if you just speak English, right? As long as you have a code verse after English, because you do a pre-test before you enter. Now what you then do is they would pre-test you after they enroll. They, let's say I do a video, right? And for this video I'd want subtitles on the video, but I don't have the time to make those videos. So what I would then do is I would provide you with the video, and you just watch the video, and of course you transcribe for me, and I'll pay you a fee to do that for me. So you can sign up and do transcribing, right? Now you have this thing called OneQueue. This is another one, OneQueue. OneQueue is a survey app. Now what it does is it sends you surveys daily, but most times the surveys that you get is within Monday to Friday between 9 to 5, right? That's the time when they normally send the surveys. Now when you answer the surveys, they pay you money. So that's another way to make money, right? Now you have Forex trading. Now trading Forex is the ultimate cash cow. If you really want to make money and you're really about being financially stable and fighting poverty and all that, I suggest you learn Forex, right? Forex is a real cash cow. Now, how do you start Forex in Jamaica? I'll do that in another video. So you can, if you want to do that, you can subscribe to the channel. I'll definitely do a video about that, how to get started with Forex in Jamaica and such like that. So no worries, I'll touch on that, right? One more thing you can do is, let's say you have a large following on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, or WhatsApp, wherever way you have a large following. What you can do is you can do promotion. So people pay you for promotion. somebody want to promote their stuff, just advertise it. Hey, look, I do promotion. They pay you, you promote, you make money there. So promotion is one, right? Another way you can make money online is become a YouTube editor. So of course, just like with this transcribe stuff, some persons do their videos, don't have time to sit down and do the entire write up for it, or would rather for you to just edit it for them. So what they do, if you're good at editing like that, what you can do is offer to edit people's YouTube videos or stuff like that, and they pay you money. You edit the videos, and they win. You win. Now, another way is you can start an Instagram business. Yes. How do you start an Instagram business? Now, I can provide you with more details towards this, but I'm just gonna touch on the surface for now. All of these points, if any points in here you'd like a further clarity on, I can do an entire video on all the points. So no worries. Either way, talking about the Instagram business. How do you start an Instagram business, or how do you run an Instagram business? So first you need to find a cheap supplier for your stuff like AliExpress. Now you buy your stuff on AliExpress, cheap, you ship them to Jamaica, then you just sell them at an affordable cost, whereas persons can buy them affordably, you make a profit and stuff like that, and you all win because persons get their items, AliExpress make money, you make profit, everybody wins, right? Now, another way is you can buy and sell stocks, right? Buy and sell stocks. Of course, that's online. So basically, you buy your stuff them online, you sell them back, right? Buy and sell stocks. Can't wrong. Brokers for buying and sell stocks, NCB, JMMB, Barita. It's a whole lot. You can just buy and sell stocks, right? You can make money there. I have another one here. No, this one doesn't apply for everyone and will never apply for anyone, but everyone rather. But you can start an OnlyFans. Yes, start an OnlyFans. Now, me saying hey, start an OnlyFans, that doesn't mean that hey, look, I'm telling you to go and start showcasing your body or doing pornographic stuff. No, that's not what I'm saying. What I'm saying to you is that let's say you have something this valuable, or you have a talent this valuable that someone would really pay to see, or who knows, man, if you want to show your body, fine. You feel like hey, look, somebody will definitely pay to see your body, then fine. But again, if you have a talent just the same, or something that persons would pay to see, you can do that, right? And start an OnlyFans. People pay their subscription to see what's happening, and they come on in. Now, last thing on the list, right? Last thing on the list is sign up for Upwork. Now, what is Upwork? So basically, Upwork is a online site like an on-demand. Do you know that on-demand in the community? Yes. So basically, when you sign up, you state your skills, or you state things that you're good at when signing up, right? So when you do that now, Upwork will then suggest works for you. So on the other hand, after you sign up at things that you're good at, you have persons that sign up to promote work. So just like the editing, just like the transcribing, just like photo taking, anything, persons don't want you to do variety of things online for them, right? And they just advertise it, you apply, and if successful, they give you the work, you do the job, you make the money, and Upwork pays. Upwork pays good money. So again, Upwork is a good one. You just you do a little task and here and there, and you just make money, good money. And Upwork is there was even a bonus, guys. So again, if you find value in contents like this, consider subscribing to the channel, because you'll definitely see more videos like this. And if you have suggestions as to things you like to talk about, things you like to go deeper into, things you didn't understand a full clarity, or things you just want me to explain further, and topics you don't want me to do an entire video about, I can just do that and just have the video posted, guys. So just leave me in the comment section and stuff like that, and I'll get it done. Either way, guys, thanks for watching. If you find value in the content, please remember, just hit the subscription button. If you know somebody that might be interested in the content, just share it with them. Like the video and comment. And remember, when subscribing, turn on the post notification bell. That means that when I post, it doesn't go lost. It will be automatically sent to you, and you could just read it and you could just watch it here and there, so you'd be notified rather than I post this valuable content here and it send up missed you because it's in the it's social media, so it's fast paced. So just turn on the post notification bell so you won't miss anything. Thanks for watching. I'm out.